Hi friends, today I'm going to show you that if you delete something, you know that it will go to recycle bin. But suppose you have deleted something which is uh, by mistake. So what you will do? Suppose I have created one file through here in Notepad, temp file, and I'm giving it a name, keeping it in desktop, giving it a name test. So my test file is created, and here you can see this file. Okay, so I'm deleting this file from the keyboard. This this message will come that are you sure to move this file to recycle bin? Yes, I want to move. Now suppose this is very much it need to file to me, so by mistake I have deleted this file. So what I have to do, I will go to the recycle bin, click it. Either you can right click and click on restore. The same option will take place if you restore this item. Say, see your desktop. So this is way we can do it. Means we can delete it and restore if any item is unnecessary deleted. Sorry, means by fault mistakenly deleted, we can send it to the original place. So this is all for. My name is Tamal Das, and if anybody want to contact me, my email address is dastamal6@gmail.com. We have a website called ttweb.in. ttweb.in. My number is 84208 79158. Okay.